Mandeville, the mountain man we kill. Ravers, clean.
Really? Really, Teejay? That's where you're gonna start off? Well, we shouldn't expect none for Haunted, no. Shouldn't expect none less. So, say I start off Mandeville, the mountain man we kill. That you start off with, brother? Come in.
Devon, I know over back to the grill. Junction, Senti. A nightmare when he dog.
Damn, I'm gonna look at him with a dash of dog in the back of Van them answer. That will tie up and bag up and thing. Yo.
Them up here shoot boy in a face and no can in a ear.
Damn, dog, now me stop on me G. Cha-cha.
On a play me DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot selector boy. Hold on a pussy, you know, on a fight against me thing. Suck on a mama.
What's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco. I'm back with a hit and smash it on. You already know. Yeah, man, people, I'm trying to see from the title. You see what we are dealing today. Yeah, man, today I'm back with a banger from an artist that's no stranger to the channel. But before we jump into that, guys, please take this moment to like and subscribe. It helps move the YouTube algorithms. It helps get my videos out there and help my channel grow. So please take this moment to go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, so you can help my channel grow and help my videos get out to a wider audience and help my channel grow. Okay. So yes, guys, today I'm back with an artist that's no stranger to the channel. The artist you already know, Teejay. He's back with another one today entitled Haunted. He dropped a new song and video about 2 days ago, and we're gonna react to it today and see exactly what's going on. We're gonna see what the vibe is about. You don't know. But we already know that Teejay is very talented. You don't know, so we already expect great things from him. It would just it's more like what is he coming with this time? It's not like we always do a certain level of production and quality that we expect from Teejay. From this point, we just want to see what this one is about and what he's coming. Because we already know he's a great artist, but we're not gonna hold up the vibes any longer. This is Teejay Haunted. Let's get it.
Sleeve records.
Mandeville, the mountain man we kill. Ravers, clean.
Really, Teejay? That's where you're gonna start off? Well, we shouldn't expect none for Haunted, no. Shouldn't expect none less. So, say I start off Mandeville, the mountain man we kill. That you start off with, brother? Come in.
Devon, I know over back to the grill. Junction, Senti. A nightmare when he dog.
Damn, I'm gonna look at him with a dash of dog in the back of Van them answer. That will tie up and bag up and thing. Yo.
Them up here shoot boy in a face and no can in a ear.
Damn, dog, now me stop on me G. Cha-cha.
Matika change like car in a gear. Moroccan in a ear. Westmoreland, gunshot in a face and not tough chatting. Shot a spinning at them head from the old barrel. We chop up boy body and punch a ribs. What them know?
Gunshot in a face and a tough chatting. Yeah, you hear that? You get it? Gunshot in a face and a tough chat in. Chat in.
About them don't know about that. Chop off head with a cutlass. Bun down us. Anybody move gunshot.
Yo, chop off head, cutlass, bun down house, anybody move gunshot, brother. Teejay, you're singing this shit nice and sweet, brother, but this is some very dark lyrics, you know, brother. Yeah, man, yeah, sing it thing nice and melodic and thing and melodic and all that stuff and make it some dark shit, this, you know, brother. Yeah, evil, you know, dog.
Bleach from them in.
When it was art, there's still creativity, but still G.
Set like compass. 4 dark pull up out of the poor box. Me link with the Z, who no wax Kodak, me we kill one.
Ooh, bro, you hear man say? Me link with the Z, go ask Kodak, me kill. Yo.
Now no pussy, who no know that. Bun down your house, make it.
Easy me, yeah, easy Teejay, easy me.
Pour gas in a mouth and light, whoever the hold that. I'm out of the people we walk with Haunted, we are dead.
Come on, you come no can know. I'm out of the people we make a Haunted, we are dead.
I'm out of people we murder Haunted, we haunted. Man, we both stay made very brilliant. If you diss me, you're dead by a man. I no killer is a pussy hole that. Pull up and put me once the joker. Bring the wind down and the easy shot.
Easy no man, yo. I like the lyrics, bro, and the visuals too. Visual mud, I'm like, oh, yo. like how everything in dancehall is stepping up, bro. Everything in dancehall is overall production and all that stuff is stepping up. The artists them are get better. The producers are getting better. The directors are getting better. The engineers are getting better. Everything in dancehall, the parties getting better. The scenes getting better. Everybody leveling up, man.
Shut a slap in I'm head and I pick it out that. People just a scatter like say you show up. The cold clap, phone drop, chop off your head and put it on the ground and kick it like ball. I say you goal that. Big
Chop off your head and put it on ground and kick it like ball. I say a goal that, bro. That's some dark shit, TJ. Stop saying them things. That's so simple, lad.
work, man I drop in a dirt. Shot a latch in a eye, somebody's son in a curse. Say them bad but them not bad, them just a chat in a dirt. Man book them up back with a ratchika work. You know.
Man, boy, chat them just chat like that, man. But man, could have ratchika work. Anything we have, we go.
Start why you know I try. All of we crime them CV in my life. So you know I do it, pussy, you know I fight. We will pull a drive by. And a freestyle we call this. We send boy body down a dollies. Run up the K like mileage. Cold 45 flush boy like toilet.
Jano. Yo, I like, yo, this melody. Bro, TJ. Why you put such a deadly song on such a beautiful ass melody, bro? Huh? Can I ask you that, bro? Why you put such a deadly song on such a beautiful ass melody beat, bro? This beat is amazing. You could have sing some happy thing, some gal thing. This man chose to think about murder, some darkness.
No boy can't style me cause me not stylish. While no pussy go suck your mother no wildest. Bust them head with the K where you're shiny. Ravers badness, left place grind.
That beat is beautiful, bro. And you put this dark song on it, yo. That's crazy.
Wanna try me the new Mac 90, the PLR 16, sing like Riley. With the Taros, the bus boy, T65 on it. The new ball cutter, the ball cutter. I mean, I see no boy get hurt, me can't cover. Frank gas in the car, and we have them ras gun, yeah. 2 riflemen a march, pan them ends like soldier, yeah. Big gun with fire and evidently. The Uzi and the Mark truck.
Yo, that song a bad dog. The song not done, dog. How many flows you coming on this track, bro? You switch your verse about 3 times, the flow is about 4 times. What's going on, man?
Never empty.
That bad, talented, real talented people. Let me know what thing about the one in the comment section. And definitely show the artist some love and support, cause yo, he doing his thing. Look at the song.
And if a cheap gun man have it very plenty. Me graduate badness, them they are elementary. Me send for a long rifle a senti. The 6 pants of a clip where you 70. Me shoot boy in a head make frenzy. Blood left on the ground for forensic.
Teejay, my G. Wow, go on, cut sleeve. Big up on yourself. Dark Nation. Big up on yourself. Logics. Big up on yourself. Laws and skirt. Teejay, my G. Teejay, my G. You did your thing on that one, my G. You're for real, man. Real dope track. This remind me of like. It's not up top. This remind me of which one? But like we. Yeah, I think it's Bud Likely, bro. Cause you went in on that one. This 3 minutes and 20 seconds, bro. You went in and did your thing. Almost a 4-minute song. Yeah, man, I like when you got long songs like this with long verses. You usually go hard, like, and you put so much passion in there. Yeah, why you put so much passion in there, gunman tune them, TJ? Me ask you that, dad. Like, you make killing song and gunman tune different, sweet, different, you know, better. Like, you put your soul and energy in them thing there, you know, bro. Like, up top. And them nobody like we, you know, like, bro. TJ, make up yourself with you know what I'm saying? Real talented artist, real dope song. Like I said, people, if you like the artist, show them some love and support. Let them know that Jambisco sent you. Definitely let me know what you want me to react to next, and I'll definitely get that done. Let me know what you're watching, where you're watching from. Definitely drop your country name and country flag in the comment section. Yeah, man, and let me know what you like. The melody, the beat, the lyrics, the video. Just let me know what you like about the song, and definitely let's chop it up in the comment section. You already know, like always. See your boy Jambisco. I was here with him, hitting and smashing out banger. Till next time, guys, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys, and I'm out.